this is Tanvi and welcome back to Tanvi's Creativity. So today I'm back with you all with a new video, with a crafty video in which we will make paper flower bouquet, and watch the video till end. And now let's get started. Take a 20 into 20 centimeter craft paper of any color. Here I have taken the yellow color. Fold it in a cone shape for making a bouquet and stick it using the Fevicol. It's ready. Now make some newspaper balls and keep it inside the bouquet in this way. Now take a 8 cm diameter cardboard circle, keep it on a craft paper, draw the circle and cut it. Now stick the circle on the cardboard using the Fevicol. Now we will stick this cardboard piece on the top of the bouquet. You can use the hot glue gun as well and let it dry completely, or else it will fall. Now take a 8 into 8 cm colourful craft paper, draw its edges and cut it using the scissor. Here I have taken purple and pink color craft paper for making a bouquet flowers. You can take your favorite color. Now cut in this way to make a rose. Use the scissor carefully and under observation of adults. Fold it to make the rose. Stick it using the Fevicol. Here I have made so many. Now we will take a green craft paper, fold it 4 times, draw a leaf shape and cut that leaf. Cut the leaf in a curve shape. Give it a proper shape. Cut all the 4 leaves in the curve shape only. Now we will decorate the bouquet using some colourful decorating tape. Do this before sticking the leaves. It's done, and now we will stick the leaves. Now we will stick all the flowers that we have made a while ago. Stick it using the Fevicol and let it dry. It's ready. Now we will decorate the bouquet. Here I have taken a ribbon making strip. It is easily available in market, and if you don't have it, you can make a ribbon using a craft paper. I will stick this strip using Fevicol. Perfect. Now I will decorate using the stones. Wow, a beautiful bouquet is ready. It's looking wonderful and very cute bouquet. So it was my today's video. I hope you all have liked this video, and if you like, make sure you like, share and subscribe to Tanvi's Creativity, and the direct link of my channel is given in the description box below. You can go and and click on the link and visit my channel and watch my other video as well. So I will meet you very soon with the new video. Till that, be happy, be healthy and be creative. Bye bye.